Hey guys. Okay, so some of you are asking how to do this assignment, okay? Um, so the question today was, did you know that you could take pictures using photo booths on your computers? And there's going to be times throughout our time away from school where I'm gonna need you to take a picture of something and upload it. One, so that I know you do it, and then two, as we get going in this, we might do some fun things where I want you to take pictures just to document what we're doing, okay? So a lot of you can't figure out how to open Photo Booth, and so I wanted to show you how to do it. I want to show you how to save the pictures. I want to show you how to upload them. Okay, so you're going to find the magnifying glass up in the top right hand corner, and that's going to be up here. Okay, so you're going to click on it, and you're going to type in Photo Booth. Okay, if you start typing in photo, it should start popping up. Okay, so you're going to type in Photo Booth and hit enter. As soon as you do that, Photo Booth is going to pop open, okay? And then your face should be on the screen. Hi, guys. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take a picture of yourself by hitting this red camera button. It's going to count down from 3, and it's going to take your picture, okay? Okay, so once you do that, let me minimize this, okay? Your photo is going to be right here, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to click on it, and you're going to drag it off onto your desktop. Put it over there, okay? So as soon as you do that, you are going to come back to your assignment, okay? You're going to hit the Add or Create button. Sorry, let me get this off to the side. Okay, you're going to come up here to Add or Create. Click on it. You're going to add a file, okay? And there's two ways that you can do this. You can either search for it, okay, by clicking there and then on your desktop and finding what it's called, or if you take the photo and you just drag it right there, it's going to upload it right there. And you hit upload, and it's going to load, and as soon as it's loaded, it should say image right here, okay, and it's going to be right there, and then you turn it in. And then you're good. And then I have it, okay? And then you can either delete your picture or do whatever you want with it, okay? But that is how you use Photo Booth to take a picture of something and upload it on here, okay? So let me know if you have any more questions.